Welcome back to the channel. Right now I have this secondary update on Karnataka Bank. So the charts look absolutely fantastic at this point of time, wherein I think that the current strength is starting to align with my overall larger counts that we are heading for a straight impulsive move on the higher side. I'll attach a video to the description wherein I have shared some of my long-term counts on Karnataka Bank, wherein I expect somewhere around 350 to 400 levels in Karnataka Bank in next 12 to 15 months. So if you start to look at this weekly chart, then if you were to plot some sort of trend lines, then you would be able to see that if I attach it to the low, then we get a bottom that is somewhere closer to this swing low, wherein I would start to assume that this entire correction from 15th January onwards till the lows of 162 on 3rd of March. What's the day? So the low was on 4th of March. So at least 1 year of down move or 1 year of corrective move has finally over, and let's be precise if it's 1 year or so it's 1 year and 2 months, so approximately 14 months of down move or corrective move is over, and then finally I'm anticipating a move on the higher side, wherein my targets are the same length as of the previous impulsive move that comes in somewhere around same target which I mentioned earlier, 350 to 400 range. So I think the monthly chart is looking quite fantastic right now, even though we are yet to get that monthly close. And if you were to look at weekly charts, then you are able to see that we are now starting to trade above the previous swing high, a very short term swing high that was around 182. I have already added a lot of longs in this stock around 167 170 levels, and looking at today's closing, I'd like to add further tranche of longs on this stock. If you were to look at the daily chart, then this is the daily chart, and if you were to look at it, you have easily passed well above the 20 moving average that was around 172.59, and I think it must have crossed over 40 MA as well. So the 40 moving average comes around 177. You have pretty much passed above both of those averages, and you have closed above the previous swing high, which comes around 182.7. let's round it off to 183. So I have got this very extremely bullish view on the stock for a couple of months, but even on a short-term swing basis, I see the stock going towards, let's say, 215 to 230 range in a couple of weeks. So that is my view, that in a couple of weeks we could see the stock reaching towards 230 levels in an impulsive fashion move. And even if it starts to go towards 230, my view would only be to hold the stock and see it firstly go above 230, then go above 240 levels, and finally when it starts to go above this trend line, then I would be of the view that the possibility of another complex correction happening in the stock is extremely less, and then we are heading for a fiery move towards all-time highs, towards 280 levels. And then when you get that close above 280 levels, then you would be 80-90% sure that 400 is going to come in the stock. As far as the current setup is concerned, I am going to add longs in this stock, and I'll continue to hold and add up till it reaches its eventual conservative targets. Thank you.